Hi everyone, it's David here. I went on vacation for a week and a half. It was fantastic, super nice. Went to the beautiful island of Kauai, and wow, I'm glad I had about 60% of my portfolio in stable coins. I was waiting for one more drop before we get into wave 5. If you look into Elliott wave theory, we're looking at going into wave 5 here, which would take us Bitcoin that is up to around 100,000 and above per coin in a euphoria state of the market cycle. So we obviously had an enormous drop here from 52 all the way down to, well, below what the chart's even showing, to this Fibonacci line here to around 43,000. So pretty enormous move. And that also came on the day that Bitcoin is celebrating El Salvador officially making it legal tender in the country. So pretty coordinated feeling situation here. And one last flush before I think we make our way up. But I wanted to show you this chart. This is the 5-minute chart of Bitcoin. And you can see there's been a support here at 46,200 approximately. And we're forming this little pattern here, this wedge, and or what would it be called? It's like a pennant, more of a bullish pennant. But I wanted to show you here just a few things. So if we look at the RSI, we have some bullish divergence here happening, which is a good sign as long as we can bounce off this. But what happens right at this point is going to be pretty important, and that'll be in a few hours, or less than a few hours. So what is going to happen here? Are we going to break up and go ahead and test this level at 47.5, or are we going to break lower and come back down here and test it 45,300? And I still have some of my stable coins ready just in case we break down, but I'm 80% back into the market now, into a few different coins. So hopefully that helps you guys. I still think we're moving on our way up. And let's just zoom out real quick so you can see this on a larger time scale. So you can see here we have the Fibonacci lines acting as support and resistance. We broke above that, tried to hold it right here, and then boom, this was our longer term trend line. Once we broke that longer term trend line, all those futures got liquidated, and boom, it was an enormous liquidation, the largest since I believe June 20th. So all in all, I still think we're on our way up. We're coming back down here and testing this support right here. You can see that green line. And then I think I don't know how quickly this happens, but we move on up. There's one Telegram group that I follow, and it's curious. It's based on astrology, and sometimes they can be very accurate, other times not, but predicted this to a T. It's called Crypto Insights. And they were mentioning that on September 16th, they will be completely into the market. So hope that helps you guys. And I hope you're having a really, really great week. Okay, take care.